Surely it sounds too good to be true, we get it, but surprisingly you can actually pick up Amazon vouchers and discounts without even spending a single penny. And we're going to show you how. Who can resist that, huh? Let's go. Our first tip here is to grab the low-hanging fruit via the plethora of ongoing vouchers and deals available, especially around this year's Prime Day. Amazon regularly gives generous vouchers for purchases by completing simple actions on site, as is currently the case. Needless to say, the best place to find all of these together is over on hotukdeals, as you can see. Right now you can pick up £5 off of £15 spend by just using Amazon Pickup, while specific accounts can also get the same by using the mobile app. If you haven't signed up for Prime, you can also grab £10 off of £30 spend by doing so, while there's also £5 off when you pay for an item with £60 of gift cards, among other deals as well. Make sure you take a look at all of them by tapping the link at the bottom of the video. There's also another fab way to grab Amazon vouchers for free, and all it takes is a little bit of work on your part. Swapbucks is a great way to do so, giving you the opportunity to earn SB points by engaging in various online activities such as participating in daily polls, watching videos, playing games, and conducting online searches, which can then later be exchanged for Amazon vouchers. To start earning, all you have to do is sign up, then by earning 700 SB, you'll get the equivalent to £5 in gift cards. Plus, as well as that, you'll also get another £10 worth of Amazon vouchers for signing up. In total, you get £15 to spend. Once you cash in your points, you can expect to receive your vouchers within 10 days. Now, this only works for people really in either London or the surrounding home counties, but you can have the opportunity to earn a £20 Amazon voucher, or M&S voucher if you prefer, by being the first person to report a property that is derelict or abandoned. Moreover, if the development company associated with the website actually purchases the property, they will reward you with 1% of the purchase price, which could of course potentially amount to thousands of pounds for a house in, let's say, central London. All you have to do to get involved is, if you spot a derelict property, you simply complete a form on uspotproperty.com, and then you type in the address of the property as well as any potential photos that you can manage to capture. Typically, you'll get your voucher issued within a month of your report. Now, we all love sharing our opinions, right? Like if Ed Sheeran is terrible or great, how the country should be run, which shampoo or deodorant is the best. You can in fact earn hundreds of pounds per year in Amazon vouchers without actually needing any special skill or talent, thanks to survey sites. There's some really great ones out there, but one of our favorites is I Say, previously Ipsos. This is probably the best paying survey site with plenty available, and most users rack up £10 or more of Amazon vouchers every month. You earn points for taking surveys, between 5 and 250 points for each, with 490 points required to get a £5 Amazon voucher. Once you decide to redeem, vouchers should arrive in 2 to 3 weeks. Other great similar platforms for this include Crowdology, which pays either cold hard cash or PayPal, no points for anything required, or also Lucrative. All links, needless to say, are at the bottom of the video in the caption. Now, we've actually done a pretty recent video where we explain some of our favorite cashback websites as a way to score some pretty big savings back on your purchases via couponing. Of course, make sure that you take a look at that. Now, cashback websites are a great way to earn money when you click through their platform or visit retailers or providers of products, or simply when you make a purchase. By utilizing these, you can actually pick up hundreds of pounds each year, while some provide 1 to 2% bonuses if you actually redeem your money as Amazon vouchers rather than just cash. Just beware that cashback, however, is never guaranteed. Now, some of our favorite cashback sites include Topcashback, which pays out most regularly and arguably the most fairly, whilst Quidco can also beat it occasionally. And even for those with kids, Kidsstart is another platform which gives special cashback specifically to parents. All of them, needless to say, are worth a look. However, moreover, obtaining cashback through cashback sites doesn't actually always require a purchase. In fact, you can get paid simply by completing quick tasks like registering on a website or signing up for a free trial. Here's how you get started. First of all, explore the free cashback sections on Topcashback and Quidco to deliver the latest offers. There's actually been plenty of opportunities, such as £2.25 for a free registration with Experian, £1.80 for signing up and completing a survey with My Survey UK, and other such examples whereby you get money just for signing up. Just of course beware that cashback can take a while to go from pending to payable, from several days to several months.